I'm working on the gun charging handles for the FM2 Wildcat. There's 4 of them. They sit down on each side of the pilot's seat, and that's how they get the guns ready to fire. They pull them back, they turn it, and they push it forward, and that pushes the first shell into the cylinder, into the breech, and then it's ready to go. This one was probably the roughest one. Had to make a whole new plate here and here, and also one on the top just because of the corrosion. It was badly corroded. So we epoxy those on. We make them out of very thin sheet metal and cut them out, match up all the holes, re-drill everything. And yeah, it'll do the job. It's just got to be strong, and it mounts right on the engine frame, or on the frame of the aircraft. It's got a little pulley here, and it'll have a little cable clevis that comes down, and then the cable goes all the way over to the gun.
And when we restore the Wildcat, obviously we're not going to have guns in it to charge, but the charging handle will essentially work all the way up until a point.
Yeah, we're actually going to have a long enough cable on it where we attach a spring to it, and then the end of the spring will be attached to the airframe, so that literally you'll be able to pull it back, and it will appear to be working.